What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ray, and I'm back in a singer, ready to shoot another video. Today, guys, we are going on a little double date. We're gonna get on one of these little swans right here with Noemi and Francisco, only for like an hour. So we're waiting for them now. I got my boy Eddie here with me. But yeah, we're about to go and do this and have fun. Yesterday, I went hiking with my Asia. I'll put a little snips of everything in here. Yeah, I'm gonna combine them. Yesterday, I went hiking with my Asia, and then I went and picked up my mom and niece, and then we went to the balloon, or no, bubble something in Arizona Mills, and it was nice. And I met up with Aaliyah, Kari, and Noemi at Champagne Lanes downtown. And we just had some drinks and bowling and stuff, and I won. So yeah, I'm gonna just enter all that here. We start the journey. Okay, now that you guys have seen what I did yesterday, we'll start off today. So we're about to go check in right now. It's 12:56. We're supposed to be on there at 1 p.m. So let's go.
It's really shit because like the coat's black and yeah, it's like a specific Rottweiler. Rottweiler. Still goes on the rest of it.
We want to go right?
Yeah. So far away from this body of water. Look at him go.
Oh, okay.
It's harder when you're in like the actual less shallow water.
It's a workout, you know?
Oh. Oh, water's coming in.
There's water in here. It's
What?
right there. Water leaking into the boat.
This is like the Titanic
Ah. Ignore us.
Heavily.
You gotta go to the same rhythm, guys. Run it over.
I'm sure it's faster than this, so get out of the way. I like my alone time.
Yeah, but this is where that train had blew up on. Look at me, I'm your tour guide. Bye.
your Oreo overload.
Francisco Meloro Fernandez. Darcy Kim Loach.
What did you got? What, you got 30? Oh, yeah, we should go. Give it up, Bob. Give it up. Hold on, I have an excuse. Because when I was not looking, she started my game. And when the lights come on, she was shooting and I was barely shooting. Like,
I mean, it's